puppy is a young dog, usually under 1 year of age. Puppies are still in the process of growing and developing, both physically and mentally. They are often playful, curious, and energetic, and require a lot of attention, training, and socialization to help them become well-adjusted adult dogs. On the other hand, a dog is an adult canine that has completed its growth and development. Adult dogs are typically more settled and less energetic than puppies, and may have already gone through training and socialization. They can be just as playful and affectionate as puppies, but generally require less attention and supervision.